some pizza with pizza.
Dali na, anak.
Oh dear.
Anak, tapusin mo na to. Natamad ka na, no?
Ayaw, was a baby leg.
Bilis na, tapusin mo na, anak.
Okay, we're going to lava. So, no. There's no control of it. What?
Kahit ano. Oo, gusto ko goma. Dali na, anak. Tapusin mo na to. Nak. Tapusin mo na to at ano kay teacher.
I gonna write all.
Aray ko.
What's this? What's your neighbor been saying? Hi guys. What's your neighbor been saying?
Ano daw?
Lama. Okay.
Baka mawala pa yun. Lahat na ng pencil mo may pangalan. Tapusin mo na to. Nak. Nak. Baby, tapusin mo na muna to. Konti na lang.
Di ba Alice birthday?
Opo, sa ano pa, next Wednesday.
In my room? He will go to my room.
Sino po?
Again?
Sino?
Si Ali. Then Ali will go inside.
Saan?
Like he said hi.
Dali na. Tapusin mo
He's
na.
a baby because he's a like that. He don't have a sound because it's funny.
May pangalan niya yan. Ano? Yan, sabi ko baka mawala pa eh. Tapos na? Tapos na po? Nak, tapos na? Uy, hindi nakasali yan. Tama na. Hindi sinabi ni teacher na drawingan yan. Say bye-bye na.
Bye-bye, guys. See you later.
See you later.
Bye-bye.
See you next time.
Woo! See you next time.
Babush.
Babush.